Welcome to the Great North Gardener. Hello there, I'm Albert. This is your how-to guide for companion planting, trellises, and building healthy soil. We're going to turn even the smallest spot into a productive vegetable patch. Work smart, not hard. Stack simple techniques for maximum harvest. Think good neighbors, vertical growing, and soil that's alive. It's easier than you think, I promise. Ready? Let's make your space efficient, beautiful, and delicious. Before we plant a single seed, we focus on the soil, the living heart of your garden. Its minerals, organic matter, water, air, and a whole universe of microbes. Good soil is the difference between struggling and thriving. Compost feeds plants and improves structure. Do a quick squeeze test. Sticky ball means clay. Gritty crumble means sand. Perfect loam crumbles gently. Whatever you start with, add organic matter, 2 to 3 inches over the bed. Lightly work it into the top 6 inches to create a rich root zone. Compost is black gold, nutrients and beneficial life in one. Make your own from scraps and yard waste, or buy well-rotted compost or manure. This single step sets you up for strong, resilient roots. Finish with mulch, straw, shredded leaves, or wood chips. Mulch conserves moisture, suppresses weeds, and slowly feeds your soil. Companion planting uses plant friendships to boost health and yield. Some pairings help deter pests and attract beneficial insects. Tomatoes with basil, a classic. Many gardeners swear it improves flavor and confuses pests. Carrots with onions or leeks. The onion family masks the carrot fly. Legumes like beans and peas fix nitrogen into the soil. Corn gives structure, beans feed the soil, squash shades out weeds, teamwork. Marigolds help deter nematodes and other pests, sprinkle them through beds. Aromatic herbs confuse pests, great at the borders. Start small, pick 1 or 2 pairings and observe. You'll build a resilient, vibrant mini ecosystem that needs fewer interventions. Simple, natural, and effective, that's efficiency. In small spaces, horizontal room is limited, so we grow up. Vertical growing multiplies your planting area. A trellis is any simple frame for climbers. Bamboo teepees are brilliant for beans and peas. Or stretch mesh between posts, just build it sturdy. Fruit weight adds up, make it solid. Install supports before seedlings to protect roots. In the northern hemisphere, place trellises on the north to avoid shading. Gently tie stems with soft twine and train them upward. Better airflow, fewer diseases, cleaner fruit, easier picking. Simple wins. Pack plants to shade soil, suppress weeds, and boost yield. Skip long rows. Use wide rows or blocks. Plant in 2 to 3 foot blocks with leaves just touching at maturity. This creates a cooler, moister microclimate. Keep tall crops at the back, shorter at the front for sun. Interplant quick growers with slow ones for bonus harvests. By the time big plants need room, quick crops are out and eaten. Sow in waves, little and often to avoid gluts. Patch 1 harvests, patch 2 takes over, patch 3 is coming up. This rhythm keeps beds productive from spring to autumn. Efficient layout means more food from every square inch. Water early, so moisture sinks deep for the day. Aim at the roots with a rose head or soaker hose, leaves stay dry. Water when the top inch or 2 feels dry, no rigid schedules. Mulch cuts watering needs dramatically. Avoid soggy soil, overwatering weakens roots. Diverse plantings invite natural pest predators. They love flowers like dill, fennel, and yarrow. For slugs and caterpillars, handpick, simple and effective. Use barriers to stop egg laying before it starts. Check often, catch issues early with a blast of water or a quick pick. We've gone from soil to sky. You've got a clear plan for big results in small spaces. Here's your quick recipe for success. 1. Pick a sunny spot, 6 hours or more. 2. Add a generous layer of compost. 3. Mulch to save water and stop weeds. 4. Pair helpful companions. 5. Build a sturdy trellis up north. 6. Keep tall crops from shading short ones. 7. Water deeply at the roots in the morning. 8. Check often, manage pests gently. 9. Harvest often and sow in waves. 10. Keep a tidy, simple toolkit.